Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we have a Pentair Master Temp. This one actually is a 400 natural gas HD. What we're gonna do actually convert it to a propane system. So little trick is that you don't need to actually buy a specific propane heater. All it is propane conversion kit that you gotta buy separately. It's a 77707-1441. So we're gonna dive here in and we're gonna install this thing. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So I have this conversion kit. So this is a Master Temp HD 400 natural gas heater. So what that means is 400,000 BTUs, British thermal units, in case you know what BTU means. So what we're doing is gonna convert this natural gas heater over to a propane heater. HD, I keep throwing that out there. What that means is a Cooper nickel heat exchanger. So this is an extremely upgraded pool heater. Highly recommend getting those. If not, no big deal. There's a little bit more bulletproof to water chemistry. So you accidentally mess something up, it's not gonna really hurt that bad. But so what we're gonna do, you're not gonna need a whole lot for this video. I'm gonna start with a flathead screwdriver. I'm pretty sure you can use like a 3/8 hex to get these out. Probably the easier way. But you're gonna loosen these bad boys up. Over the years, people haven't been really happy with the way that you take off Pentair's doors. So as you can see, if I'm looking at this, I have the vent to the right side. I think that's the right way to do it, but we'll find out when we open this heater up. The gas valve is on one side. Obviously, there's not two gas valves. If you had two gas valves, you have an ETI heater. Yeah, enough. All right, so you're gonna take a flathead, pry it under a little bit, and you're gonna pop it down like that. So then now the door will come off. Good news, I picked the right side of the heater. So, when you look in the heater, make sure the exhaust is on the right side. Next, what you're gonna need is a pair of channel locks, which is fine. You can use a gas valve or a gas wrench if you need to. Some people call them monkey wrenches or whatever it is, but I'll show you a picture of what a gas valve or a gas wrench looks like. Here, right here, here. All right, so getting down and dirty. Let's take this thing off or apart. What I'm gonna do is open the bag up. Instruction manuals, that's what I'm for. So literally, this whole bag for this dealio. This is literally called an Orifice. So we're gonna access this guy right here, this knuckle. So what we're gonna do is loosen her up. So I'll get my wrench in there, loosen it up. And you're gonna see that it loosens up the entire gas valve. In there should be an orifice already, maybe? It's been a while, so please bear with me. Yep. So as you can see, this is my natural gas, this is my propane. So natural gas has a lot less pressure than propane. So we're actually gonna reduce the flow on in propane because it's a pressured system. So it's literally increasing the pressure dramatically. So that's why they're doing this, is pretty much just slow down the gas of the propane to make it so you can just use the same heater. So all you're gonna do is just pop this thing right inside this hole here. You know what? While you're filming, I'm gonna take a picture of this. And my main man, Zach, is gonna put this on for you. So, right there. Sweet. So, that thing just sits right inside there. It's got a little O-ring on it, so it kind of sits snug when you guys put this thing back together. So what we're gonna do is I am now gonna put my gas valve back on top. And as you can see, there's like a little guide right here to line your gas valve up. And then hand tighten this to make sure the grooves go on good, so you don't strip any threads out. Because if you strip that out, it sucks to be you. All right, so now, just gonna tighten it. Doesn't really require a whole lot of tightening because this is a snug tight. Sorry, it's on a bunch of slabs. See how I just turned this? It's not what you want. So now I'm gonna turn it back. I wanna make sure that lines up because what's gonna happen is when your gas guy shows up or you and puts your gas pipe here, you want this thing to be lined up perfectly to thread in the gas line. So if this thing slides over, just push it back. So literally, that's how you convert a natural gas heater to propane. The things that I'm gonna tell you right now. So It all fine and dandy, it looks all fine and dandy and everything else, but when you guys fire this whole thing up, we want to do a soap test. So what you're going to want to do is when you fire this thing up, put gas behind it, fire it up, squirt in here, look online how to do a soap test, just soapy water, and that will tell you if you have any gas leaks anywhere. So never trust anything from anywhere, no factories, nothing. Test in here, test up there. They test at the factory, but we just tampered with the OEM dealio. So we want to we don't want that to be trusted. So now, oh, they're gonna make me do it on the other side. So see how that comes with this propane thing? So now I'm gonna flip this heater back around to let whoever works in this heater know this is now a propane heater, because everything about this heater says natural gas all over it. So we are going to flip this thing around. It's a shipping tag from Pentair. Bear with me. Take this side off. Just throwing bolts everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is take this door off. You're gonna see bolts flying everywhere. Cool. This one's been messed with before. So this is the most accessible area of a pool heater. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this propane sticker, take it off, and I'm gonna literally put it right on the tank of this heater. So now everybody knows this is now a propane heater. So guys, today I converted this natural gas heater to propane. Pentair Master Temp, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Again, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.